Dear students, here question is if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, let F is equal to ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 1, 5, 2, 4 and 3, 5. Justify whether F is a function or not. Justify करना है कि F function or not. You know well, we are given that F is equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5. 1, 4 means 1 is related to 4. 1, 5 means 1 is related to 5. 2, 4 means 2 is related to 4. 3 is related to 5. Or you can say that image of 1 is 4, image of 1 is 5, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 5. You know well, if in ordered pair components or first component of ordered pair is same, so that relation will not be a function. You see, in 1, 4 and 1, 5, here is 1, here is 1, that is same. So this relation F is not a function. Now we will try to by figure A set B. F 1, 4 means 1 is related to 4. 1, 5 means 1 is related to 5. 2, 4 means 2 is related to 4. 3, 5 means 3 is related to 4. So we will write here since 1, 4 and 1, 5, first component of since first component of 1, 4 and 1, 5 is same, that is 1. So F is not a function. Or you can say that image of 1 is 4 or input for input 1, output is 4, and image of 1 is 5, or for input 1, output is 5. So element 1 has, or you can say that element 1 has two input, that is element 1 has two outputs, or element 1 has two images, so F is not a function. That is, if F is not function, then what is F? You can say that is F is a relation. F is a relation. Clear?